Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a best app for live television, pay-per-views, sports events, and movies and TV shows. One of the best apps, absolutely much better than Netflix, much better than Kodi if you used Kodi, much better than Terrarium TV if you remember that existed a long time ago. Just a full entertainment center for absolutely free, tons of apps. Not only will you get this best application, but also you're going to get unlocked to a third-party app store that I update every 2 weeks with tons of applications. Just follow me along and I'll show you how to get access to that. So I have my Firestick here, started up, connected and logged in, just like you would have any Firestick at home set up, just basic setup. And then the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings. And as you can see, I don't have many apps on my Firestick because I haven't done it yet. So it would be the same process for anybody that's doing this from the start as well. My Fire TV or my device. And you can see I have developer options, but you may not have developer options, which is fine. Just click on that About button. You'll see your device name. Mine says Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Whatever device you're on, any Amazon device will work on. Just click 8 times on the device name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. But if you clicked 8 times, it would say now you're a developer. So if you clicked one back, you'll see that you have developer options. Click one more time back, and one more time back, and one more time, and one more time, about 5 times. That'll get you to the main menu back. And now once we do that first vital step, you want to go to Find and Search. In the search box, click inside, and simply you can use the Alexa remote, the blue button on your remote, or you can just type it in. Downloader. I opted for the Alexa. I searched for an application called Downloader. You'll see it's an orange white icon that looks like that. You want to click on that icon. What's going to happen? Another menu is going to pop up. You want to click on the download button. Now, very important, let's not open this up yet. So when this installs, you'll get a notification, but we're not going to open it up. Once it installs, we're going to make sure it installs. We're going to hit the home button. There's a couple of things that we still have to do. Okay? Once that's done, press the home button, and you can verify it happened successfully by having a downloader icon on your menu. Now, go to Settings. Go to My Fire TV. There's one thing we have to do here. Go to Developer Options. Remember, we turned that on in the first step. And install unknown apps. And make sure you turn the downloader to the on position. Once you do that, we're going to click 5 times again back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next step we have to take to get the Unlinked application, which will have all these apps and our best top-of-the-line app that just updated, super good, okay? So you want to go to Find, and you want to go to Search. So one step that we have to do to get access to the Unlinked application, you want to search for IP Vanish, okay? And I'll explain everything in detail, what this is going to do, and how it's going to help you, okay? With accessing thousands of content titles and sports and events. So type in IP Vanish, just like that, IP Vanish into the Amazon App Store search, okay? And then search for IP Vanish. You'll see a black, white, green icon like that. Click on that icon. Now from here, click on the download button. That's going to queue and download the IP Vanish VPN. Now, when it's finished, we're going to open it up and we're going to set it up for Unlinked. So what a VPN is going to do, it's going to unlock all that content. Internet service providers are blocking links to movies, TV shows, pay-per-view, sports. So we're going to be changing our IP address to get content that's being blocked, okay? And we're also going to get full access to the Unlinked applications as internet service providers are now blocking third-party apps and access to them. Okay, so once we install the VPN, I'll explain everything in detail. You're just going to open up IP Vanish here. So it's going to install. It's got 94,000 4-star reviews, okay? Let's open it up, and it's going to ask you to log in with your own username and password. Now, to get your own username and password, you can scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link right here, also in the pinned comment and description. Now, full transparency, there's a small cost associated with this. It's a latte at Starbucks per month, $3 and change per month to get full access. My link gives you 70% off to get access to that, 70% off. And what's that going to do? It's going to give you full access to all the apps, all the updates. It's going to give you so much content and so much stuff that's being blocked. And you're going to be always getting updates in the Unlinked store for new versions of the applications, okay? So pause the video if you need to take care of it, to sign up with your own email and password. You'll scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link. You can do this on an iPhone or Android phone, scanning the barcode, or go into the bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. You'll be on the landing page. You'll get 70% off, $3 and change, a coffee at Starbucks. That's how much it costs. This will work on unlimited Fire Sticks, unlimited devices on your home network. So you can use this on unlimited devices, as many devices as you want. This works on unlimited devices. So I'm going to log in to my own account, and I'm going to proceed to install it for Unlinked and for all our other applications, okay? So once you get to their landing page, and you'll verify your email account by clicking the link that they email you once you sign up with your email for an account, and then you'll be able to log in to that account with your email and password. Very simple to do, very easy to do, and that's going to unlock a lot of access to the apps. It's going to give you more links in these applications for movies and TV shows and all the content that's being blocked. Not only that, you'll be able to stream content anonymously. You'll be streaming everything private. Don't take a risk and get full access and get everything fully unlocked. So I'm going to log into mine, and you would log into the same fashion. You put your email address, and then you put your password once you set up an account from this bit.ly link here, or the link in the pinned comment description, or scanning the barcode. It's all the same process. I just made some links here for you guys and gals to make it easy for you to get set up, okay? So it's a latte at Starbucks per month, unlimited Fire Sticks. If you have 10 devices at your home, you can use on 10 devices. Works on Android phones, Windows, Android boxes, NVIDIA Shields, you name it, works all across the board. So I'm going to log into mine. You take the same process. Once you get set up, log into yours, and I'll show you how to set this up for the Unlinked application, okay? Okay, once you log in with your own account, you'll see a screen like this. The first step you want to do, you want to click the gear icon, and then connect on Android Startup. You want to flick that switch to the on position. Once you do that, press the back arrow, go to the location here, click on that location, go to countries, and scroll all the way to the United States. Okay. Once you do that and you end up in the United States, all the way back, you want to click on the United States. You want to say favorite United States, and it's going to put a yellow star here. You want to click on it again, and you want to say connect to United States. Now, what's that going to do? It's going to come up with a screen that looks like this. You want to press the OK button on the screen, and it's going to flicker the screen, and you'll be connected to the United States server as you see it here. So make sure you set this up so we can proceed to the next step. If you haven't, you can pause the video, scan the barcode here, or go to this bit.ly link here, or in the pinned comment below. It's going to give you full access to Unlinked, and it's going to unlock everything in this awesome application I'm about to show you for all content that ever existed. This application is fully loaded. And then you'll be also to get almost 50 other applications as well, okay, if you wish. So let's press the home button once you're done that, and you'll see that we have this setup and this setup. Now we can proceed to the next step. Now we're safe and protected. You can open up the downloader application. You'll see it open up like this, and then press the OK button here. You click one up and highlight this with yellow thing, and click inside of it and put in the following URL, exactly how you see it. So we're going to put an unlinked .link. That's what you want to put in. Unlinked .link. So put in unlinked .link, and you want to press the go button once you put that in. So unlinked .link, and then press the go button, okay? It's going to say connecting, and then you're going to see a screen like this. You see a red cursor moving around the screen. You can move it up and down. Move it down until you see download right here, APK Android. Click on that, and that's going to pop up the download for you. You're going to see connecting, and it's going to open it up, and it's going to start downloading it. Once it's finished, you'll see Unlinked is trying to install. You're going to press the install button, but very important, press the done button. Don't press the open button. Press the done button, okay? Now, there's a last step we have to do. Delete and delete here. That's fine. You're going to press the home button. Now you see Unlinked is here, but we're not going to open it up yet. You're going to go to the gear icon. You're going to go to My Fire TV, My Device, And we're going to go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and we're going to turn on the Unlinked to the on position, okay? Once we do that, I'm going to press the back arrow 5 times once we turn that to the on position. Now we're going to start up our Unlinked application by clicking on it. Let's do that. Click on the Unlinked application. It's going to come up with a screen like this. We want to click the new library here, and you want to click into this blank field, and you want to put in the code Firestick. Okay. If it doesn't work or gives you an error, no space or nothing like that, make sure your IPVanish VPN is on. Okay. Let's press the next button, and that's going to throw you right into the store. So I'm going to tell you straight off the bat, the best app we're installing today is the FlickVision. Very good app. But I'm also showing you the top 10 for this month. I update this list every month. I'm also showing you the top 10 applications for movies and TV shows and the top 10 for live TV, which are all found in this store. So press the enter button if you see an enter button on the screen, depending on your Firestick version. If you don't see an enter button, no problem. Just hit the back arrow, okay, and click on the Unlinked to go right back in. Now you see a little box here. It says New Tech Apps. You want to click on that. And right here, the first thing you'll see, all apps, you'll see free apps, and then you see media players. So this application works well with the VLC player. So it has its own player, but you can also get VLC player if you wish. It works with several players. You want to scroll down, I'll show you the app today. As you can see, there's tons of apps. This app also has live television. This app is called FlickVision. A lot of people heard about it, but I got the newest update here. Okay, I got the February update. This is the newest one. You want to download the FlickVision. It's under live TV apps. And if you go also to movie TV, you got the same version here, which is categorized just a little bit differently. Under the movies and TV show apps, you got that categorized there as well. Okay. So you'll see it here as well. Okay. Once it downloads and installs, you'll get a pop-up. And this is amazing. It's got so many channels and stuff. So you're just going to install app, and you're going to press the install button, and the screen's going to flicker and it's going to be done. That's how quickly you install it. You can install many other applications. I just showed you and gave you a list of the top 10 applications for movies and TV shows in my store. When you first enter my store, you can take a picture of that. That'll give you the best apps. I also have categories for the top best applications for movies and TV shows, categories for the best live sports and TV apps and all that stuff. Okay. The great part is if you go home, you can go back into my Unlinked store at any time to get more applications. As you see, FlickVision is installed. It's a great, amazing application. You're going to get so much content. It's just so much better. It's mind-blowing. It's one of the best apps I've ever seen. Works great. Movies, TV shows, sports. It's got 2 live TV sections. It's really incredible if you haven't used it. Okay, but not only that, but you can get back into my store and get more applications. Now, I'll start IPVanish, and I'll show you for this entire process. I was running the VPN 5 minutes here connected. So if you haven't taken advantage, please take advantage of this discount here. You can scan the barcode with your Android phone or iPhone, or go to this bit.ly link here also in the pinned comment description. That's going to give you 70% off. It's less than $4, I believe $3 and change. It's like a coffee at Starbucks or less. I'm not sure how much a coffee at Starbucks is anymore. Here in Canada, it's Tim Hortons. It's, you know, quite a bit as well. But it's less than $4 a month, and that's going to give you, you can use one account on unlimited Fire Sticks, meaning if you have 5 Fire Sticks in your household, you can use it on all of them. And you can use it on your iPhone, you can use it on your Android phone, you can use a VPN all across the board using these apps, okay? So that will get you covered, it will get you protected, it will get you more links, it will get you more content. These apps are just designed to work with that. And it's going to give you updates from the Unlinked store as well. So make sure you take care of that if you haven't. And that's pretty much it. That's my favorite app. It's still #1. It's been #1 for a few months. Maybe some people haven't heard about it, but I wanted to show you this app. Some people actually may never heard of it, but there's many apps in my store that are updated under this Unlinked logo that you can go back in and get more of those and get all the updates. If you ever want to update an application, a lot of people ask me, you can just click on the app, click on the 3 lines here. You can uninstall the app, and then you can go back into my store and reinstall it. That's the best way I feel to update the applications, because I always have the newest versions in my store, okay? So that concludes my video. I just wanted to ask you guys a favor. People have been stealing and knocking off my content. If you could give me a huge favor, I didn't put a pin lock in my store, but I might put a pin lock in the future, but I haven't done it yet. If you please could kindly just drop a comment below this video, and if I do put a pin lock, I'll provide that pin lock right underneath this video to your comments. Each comment will get a reply automatically. So if I do put that, I haven't done it. I'm not sure if I will, but if I do, you'll be the first one to know about it. So you can just drop any comment. You can say hi, your favorite food, your favorite city and town, your favorite sports team. Just any comment would help. I highly appreciate it. And if you're feeling brave, you can share my video. I would highly appreciate it. I know it's a big ask to share and comment. A lot of people just want to watch, and just kind of just go off and say whatever. But I know there's a lot of good people out there that will comment and will share my video, and I thank you for that. Also, follow me on X. I have a lot of updates on X. You can follow my X account. You'll find all the updates, all the things there as well. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate all your support, and have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.